In the heart of Louisiana, where the air hangs heavy with humidity and the scent of spices, a culinary battle is brewing. A battle fought not with weapons, but with ladles and ruse spoons. A battle over gumbo. Gumbo, it's more than a dish, it's a way of life. A symphony of flavors, a melting pot of cultures, a delicious debate that unites and divides. The first controversy, summertime gumbo, sacrilege, or the perfect way to cool down with a fiery bowl. Some say it's too heavy, too hot for those sweltering months. Others swear it's a year-round delight, each spoonful a burst of sunshine. And then there's the potato salad question, a dollop of creamy goodness dropped right into the heart of your gumbo. Some gasp in horror, others lick their lips in anticipation. Is it culinary fusion or a crime against cuisine? And who could forget the great tomato debate, a splash of acidity, a burst of brightness, in or out? It's a question that's torn families apart, sparked heated arguments at backyard barbecues. From seafood to sausage, chicken to andouille, okra to filet, the possibilities are endless. Each gumbo a unique expression of its creator, a reflection of family traditions and personal taste. But one thing's for sure, gumbo always sparks a conversation. It brings people together around the table, ignites passions and fuels debates that rage on long after the last bowl is scraped clean. So what's your take? Team summer gumbo, potato salad enthusiast, tomato lover? Or maybe you've got a secret ingredient that'll blow everyone away. Join the debate, share your favorite recipe, and let's celebrate the glorious, messy, delicious world of gumbo together.